Outstanding design defines the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.